In today's 9 to 5 exit strategy video, let's talk start page ads and login ads, and how you can use start page ads and login ads to boost engagement, generate more exposure, and build your email subscribers list. What are start page and login ads, and how can these ads boost your engagement and/or build your email subscribers list? Every time you log into a safelist, a traffic exchange or membership site of any kind, the very first thing you see is an advertisement. These ads are known as start page or login ads. Safe lists and traffic exchanges are exactly where your target audiences are hanging out. And because tens of thousands of other affiliate marketers are literally logging into these sites every single second of every single minute of every hour, every single day. The big idea is to be waiting there right in front of them as they're logging in, grabbing their attention by addressing a particular problem or pain point. Solve enough problems, engagement, and the ability to extract leads from start page login ads will follow. The Login Starter Advertising Rolodex is a one-stop shop for the absolute best safe list and traffic exchanges for placing your start page and login ads starting right now today. To get instant access to your free start page login in Ads Rolodex and unlock all of the super advertising traffic and list building bonuses inside, click the link below. See you inside.